Hey guys, this is LizardGod here, and we're gonna just like
Hi.
King Blizzard here. We're making root beer floats, and we're basically just gonna say random stuff with yogurt that got. if you, we cleaned it all up though. It was funny. Okay, so.
I'm eating ice cream.
Is that your spoon?
Yeah, yours right there.
Oh, sorry, I'm blind. Okay.
Oh, when you said King Lizard, mine now is Nathan Edge.
Nathan Edge, that's your real name. That's too much information, sir.
Actually, it's not my full name, sorry. My Nathan Edge the third.
Nathan Edge the third. Okay. Get that out of here. Okay. Make root beer floats.
Yeah,
Here's your...
thought you made root beer float.
Dude, it's melting.
Ah!
Professional.
Professional, guys, professional.
Professional. I mean, this video in the kitchen.
One on the kitchen floor.
Okay.
It's melted. How does it take you 7 hours?
Because we've been throwing yogurt.
Yeah, the shoe cannot stop laughing.
It was funny. If y'all saw it, y'all would die laughing. Hey, you were laughing.
Yeah, but you're like,
Yeah.
you're like pooping your pants.
You're true. Dear
Yeah, that's a story for later.
You can tell your kids that one. Your grandpa crazy.
I felt some hater. I felt some hater in your ice cream.
Good job. Are you done yet?
No.
Hey, fool. Can't even.
I don't know.
How are you gonna put the root beer in there?
Yeah, I'm not.
You're professional.
This my root beer float. It's complete ice cream.
Mine's like nothing. Nothing. Get the root beer over here. I'm ready.
I heard that.
I know you did. You didn't hear anything. Beer! What's the brand?
I feel like that is alcohol because you're drunk right now.
Oh, yeah, you think I am. But I'm not. This is my natural self. Yeah.
I changed you from your natural self. You used to be like a nerd. That too.
Yeah, I know, right? Don't go down there. Just get the info.
I remember when I
Made mine.
was like super scared of everything.
And Nathan enjoying his.
Yeah, I have to eat this big old chunk off of it, so.
I'm gonna feed it to the dog.
That's ice cream.
She's not diabetic.
Not yet.
Not yet.
There's some ice cream.
Why are you holding marshmallow?
Apparently, root beer floats, you need marshmallows and some, and whatever these are.
I found some McDonald's apple. McDonald's apple.
I feel like
Happy Thanksgiving.
this is the real sword in the stone. Have you ever heard that story?
I don't know.
The spoon in the ice cream.
The spoon and the ice cream. That's the real one.
Yep. Disney copyright.
Disney copyright. I don't know if y'all can hear us, so this thing has crappy audio.
All they're gonna hear is us doing like.
Yeah, that's all they're gonna hear. Molly.
Hi guys. That's it.
What is that? French fry?
Make it better.
Hey, well. He's a roach. You fed it. You fed it.
We did it. We did it.
Yeah, we did it. Northern Explorer. Go, go, go.
Go catch it.
Go, go, go. Go, dear, go, go.
You know, I can do so much stuff at my house, but I can never do this at my house.
I know, right? Yeah. How I decorate for Christmas.
Why did you let me do this, Ryan?
Because it's funny, that's why. Wait, I'm magic. Have you seen the Send My Love Adele, Send My Love Adele, parody? Threw that right there. Get rid of that. Okay. Oh, that's some fun in the kitchen, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.